All right, you guys, so I've been noticing you've been enjoying the alternative meals besides turkey. So we're gonna keep it going. So what we're gonna do is we got something definitely special. You guys probably want that, something a lot different from the same old dry turkey. So let's get over into, the ingredients and let's get to cooking. All right, my friends, another alternative. Instead of doing a ham or turkey, how about some catfish, some whole catfish? Probably frying it up, something different, or some kind of fish. So, like I said, I found another markdown, you guys, at the store. So, hey, love my markdown. So, like I said, go over there to the seafood area. You might find a reduced price on some catfish, or say it's a red snapper. Let me know in the comments what kind of fish you liked for me to hook up. So, we're gonna actually deep fry these whole. So, I'm about to get into it. Enough said, enough talking. Let's get into cooking. All right, so we're getting ready to season up these catfish. Like I said, another alternative dish that you can make for this season. Everybody like to stick to turkey, ham. How about some catfish? We're gonna do it whole too, a southern style way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get ready to season it up. All right, so I'm not gonna waste more of your time. All right, so first thing first is we're gonna add some granulated garlic powder. Sprinkle it over. Like I said, generously. There's no salt, so remember that. Garlic powder. Next, you want to add your salt. So, seasoning salt. Always gotta add some seasoning salt. So now we want to cut down the salt. Mrs. Dash, lemon pepper. So just press it down, the salt. So like they say, rinse and repeat. So you pat it down if you like, make sure it sticks, flip it over. And we're gonna use the water. We washed it as the binder. I think the binder is kind of overrated. We're doing a lot too much. I think it's doing too much. All right, so once again, you know the story. Season this up. And this is lemon pepper. I like lemon on my fish. I don't know about you, but I like a little citrus. So that's what this is. And mind you, we're gonna deep fry this. Well, we're gonna pan fry it. So, I'm gonna definitely do that old school. So pan fry the whole fish. We're not cutting it up or nothing. Might have a little black pepper on the end. Alright. And that's it. Now I'm gonna season the cavity, but I ain't gonna show you that. We're gonna get over to frying these in my cast iron skillet. Alright, so before we get ready to fry it up, let me show you what I'm gonna be frying it. I'm gonna do it old school way, just flour. I'm just gonna do put probably a cup, 2 cups of flour in here. This is a large jumbo bag. Anybody remember those the brown paper bag your grandmama used to hook up, or your auntie, big mama used to get, shake it up. Nowadays you can't find a paper bag anywhere. You gotta ask them, maybe hide them in the grocery under the cash register. But anyway, yeah, I remember those days. My mom did it too. Season with black pepper. You always put the season up your flour. I know they have these pre-seasoned packets. Nothing wrong with that. You can use that. And you can do paprika, but since this already has everything in it, a couple of spices, we're gonna use Old Bay. So season your flour generously. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna get over to shaking up this fish. All right, we're gonna put one fish at a time. Make sure we don't overcrowd our bag before we stick it in the fire. All right, so just put one in. I just put it in and just shake it. All right, it's fully coated. Like I said, don't need no egg, don't need none of that. You know what I'm saying? Because in a real, like I said, Southern home, couldn't afford to waste your time on some eggs. So it's fully coated. I'm gonna throw it in the fryer. All right, so I'm gonna finish shaking the other one up, and I'll see you over at the stove. All right, so what you wanna do is check your temperature. So make sure it's on, you wanna make sure your oil was 350 degrees. So it's ready. So put them in slowly, one at a time. I say don't crowd your pan. So just do one first, and then do the second one after. I'll put the largest one in first. All right. We'll let it get it frying. And that's all you need to do. I know a lot of people are scared to fry something. That's why you see a lot of these air fryers out there. But if you take your time, you can do it. You know what I'm saying? So I encourage all those that, you know what I'm saying, are worried about frying something, chicken or fish or pork or whatever like that. Just take your time. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you get it at the right temperature, 150 degrees. Put it in there. Check the inner temperature of whatever meat it is. Look it up on Google, or you know what I'm saying, ask Alexa. She'll let you know. Yeah, it always come out perfectly. All right, you guys, it is done. It's plated up. What you guys think? Came out pretty good, you guys. You see one is bigger than the other. But that's how you pan sear or pan fry a turkey. I mean, catfish. That's a turkey. So hope you guys, well, you know what I'm saying, like this recipe. I know, you know, I did. I always like salmon. I mean, I always like some type of fish. Hey, what's going on with me today? I can't even say what the right fish is. Catfish. You know what I'm saying? To me, you know how they say, you know, it tastes better on the bone. You know what I'm saying? With steak or chicken, it tastes better on the bone with catfish, you guys. I mean, you can do fillets, whatever like that. But this is a really easy one to put together. You know, whip up, you know, in the house. And you can go to any of your stores and they'll cut it up like this. You can do head off, head on. You know what I'm saying? Take the skin off. You know, you can get it however which way prepared. Just go and go to your butcher or your fish market and they'll definitely hook it up for you. But thanks for coming on through. Let me know in the comments below if you tried this before. Also, too, hey, hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button. Come join my family, you guys. You know, does a world of a difference, you guys. Please help me hit that goal, you guys. I'm still trying to hit that 50K, so jump on over there. If we can smash it and go beyond that, let's do it. All right, you guys, you know, I'm Chef KC, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy eating, you guys.